What's up? How you guys doing? It's your boy Marketing with on the flies in the game, you already know. But hey, we're going to talk about something. I like to get straight into things and why you need to have an outcome of using more funnels. And if you're using websites, why? We're going to break down funnels versus website, and I'm going to show you from a technical point of view, as well as insights from a marketing perspective on why one is better than the other, right? I've been doing marketing for over 15 years. I've pushed thousands, even millions of dollars through funnels and websites. And I'm going to tell you the difference between the bunch and when you should choose one or the other. And I'm going to show you from a technical point of view by just looking at a system that is built in and why you should use it one way or another. Guys, if you're trying to grow your business or make more money online, make sure you subscribe and like these channels and comment down below any information you would love for me to cover if you like my style. So first things first, I share my screen and I'm going to show you what it looks like from a technical point of view. Before I do that, let me explain why I choose funnels over websites every single day. We are in an economy where time is of the essence. We have all these tools, all these capabilities. And why I use funnels more than I use websites is because a funnel is direct. This is the path I want someone to go, and I'm not trying to get them to go all over my website and look around and hopefully become a buyer. People, marketers, small businesses, that rarely happens. Where someone goes to your website and hopefully becomes a buyer when you're offering 5 or 6 or 10 different services. And it's really hard to scale if you don't scale in an avenue. Even a doctor's office that we were working with, we learned that there's one program that he is offering that gets people into the door before they ever start to really care about all the other things he has to offer. Customer service, all that matters. Getting them in the door is the most important thing. And we were getting people in the door for almost 300% cheaper by just offering this one product from the advertisements in the funnel. So whatever you're offering, you really need to think about that. But we're going to talk about funnels versus websites. We're going to look at it from a technical perspective, and I'm actually going to share my screen here so that you can see what it looks like, okay? So let me break this down, guys. When we're looking right here at this funnel perspective, I'm going to show you funnels and websites. Is this other one over here, websites? All right, cool. Let's break this down. It is a direct path. You know the steps that you want people to take to generally get to the other thing. What is this important for? If there's a general price and then there's a higher price after or an upsell or a next thing that someone can do, you want someone to only have one option so that they are not distracted. A lot of business owners, they're like, oh, but I offer this and I offer that. And I'm like, yeah, but the thing is to offer something in the beginning so good that people actually just jump right in. And then they get introduced to all the other things you have to offer. Now, it's a direct funnel. It's going straight down the line. We know the landing page is going to talk about one subject, one movement, down to a calendar here to set up a call. This is a strategy sales letter position to get someone on the phone, to a thank you letter. Now, do you know how much easier and faster it is for me to get a client from top to bottom when they're actually focused on one thing and getting that opportunity there? And by the time they get on a call with me, of course, I can tell them about all the other things I offer and all the other things that I do inside of my business. But typically, you'll spend a lot more money trying to market to everybody. Now, let's look at that versus a website, okay? Now, a website is laid out like this for a reason, both examples, because someone can go from my homepage to my blog, to my 30-day free trial, to a strategy call, to a podcast marketing, all the things I want to offer. Now, let me state this. It's not that I'm saying websites are not useful when someone wants general information about what you do. It is more of a brochure. People can really see what you have to offer. And even if so, you should have funnels connected to your website. So when someone clicks on a button, it starts taking them down that rabbit hole immediately because they showed interest. Those things are important. So let me break this down. When I'm working with business owners and they have a website and they're sending traffic to their general website, most of the data states, and here's one thing I believe in, only faith I have in God, everything else bring me data. Here's what I know from looking at thousands of websites over these years. They get lost in looking at too many things, or if there's multiple offers, they're like, do I get that or do I get that? And then when they're starting to think, then guess what? Their kids are screaming in the background. Guess what? Someone calls them on the phone. Guess what? Something happens and then you lose the opportunity to follow up. Guys, getting someone into your CRM and into your system to get a chance to market them is the most important thing. That's immediate for you. And so the reason why I literally will say here, without a doubt, funnels are better than websites is because when you're spending your time, money, and energy, you want to give what they need to that direct person. One thing I do as a marketer and I think you should take this on, is you have your major brand, and then you have funnels that are branded for products and services so that people can actually share that exact thing to people and actually be a part of that one service or product and immediately get into the system to get an opportunity to sell them on what they do. Most of the time, people think marketing and funnels do all the selling for you. A lot of times in this day and age, they don't, depending on the product. Yeah, I don't care about talking to someone if I'm going to the store and buying at Target or Walmart because I need toilet paper. I don't really care about that. But for people who are in a personal branded space, or they need to actually get on a call to sell someone, you need to really focus on their ability to pay attention. And it's not even pay attention. It's, let's say you have a bunch of pages and a bunch of offers all over your website. Guess what can happen? They start thinking about one or the other or another, and you never actually get their information. So the chance of actually seeing what they're about or what they want disappears. I'm going to say this without a doubt as a marketer who's been in the game for over 15 years. Funnels over websites. Now, do websites do a purpose? Yes, but that is more of a brochure branding perspective. People want to see what I'm about. They want to go to my website. They want to see what's on there. They want to see what I'm about. So therefore, I will give them a chance, or I'll send them my website so they can kind of get an overview of what I'm all about. Let's say I want people to book me for, a speaking event. They want to know that I speak. Absolutely. See, they want to see some testimonials. That will absolutely get them there. Let's say they want to see some of the things that we offer, but they're not really sure. Yeah. But for someone you're marketing to and you're trying to put into a direct space to actually give you their information to follow up, it's better to have one great offer that they tap into and then funnel them through a process so then you can then upsell them. Having your beginning process. What gets to say you're a barber, my first time cut fee. Those types of things matter. What are the things that you want them to see first that gets someone in the door? Do you have the best steak in the game? Are you the best injury lawyer in the game? Do you have a free consulting that really changes the way people look at business? A non-pressured call sell to really map those out. And the reason why we do these things is because having the opportunity to sell someone in business is a blessing. So why waste it on giving them everything? People, confused buyers never buy. Unsure buyers never buy. So if you're really trying to really grow your business, you really need to focus on making sure you're using funnels and using websites. But funnels are more important if you're just now getting into business or your business isn't thriving and you're trying to get closest to the dollar. Funnels is the way to go. All right. So that's my overview on things, right? You want something to be going straight down the pipeline. You want them to be led. Conversations just with them. Right now, I run a men's group here in the Arizona area, and we focus on men who wanted to do business, and they land on one video that opts them in directly into our CRM. If you guys are not doing that, I'm not going to talk about that now. I'll bring that in, but it's powerful. But the best thing to do is once they click on that funnel, there's no side conversations. There's no places to look around. It is like step by step what they're going to do next once they opt into your system or in situation. And that is so important. So if you're watching this video and you're wondering why I should do funnels over websites, or if I already have a website to start building funnels, this is your time to do that. Now, I have an actual exclusive offer for you that I'm making for the summertime or whenever this video is going to be up and alive, because I promise you I'll probably be reshooting these videos and upgrading them in so many ways down below. Now, here's what the offer is. You can get a 30-day free trial into GoHighLevel, or you can use my sub account in the GoHighLevel, which gives you complete access to everything you're doing and get training and get 3 months for free down below this video. Okay? Now, that is what I queue. It helps me keep shooting these videos to help explain parts of your business and really get you to the next level. And that allows this game to be free. I'll talk about things I do for my clients, things people make it over $100,000, people who are doing millions of dollars, and really what that feels like. And so you really want to know by a perspective of starting off in the right place and start with funnels first. We run events, all sorts of things clients do, doctor's office, restaurants, barbershops, HVAC. And the reason why we focus on this main thing is because we want to get the lowest dollar, but spend the most for clients. And you'll understand that in the future. You want to be able to spend the most for clients because you know exactly what your ROI is and what you're tracking across the platform to make that money. Super important. So I hope you start using funnels from here on out. Start crushing it, start doing it. And I guess what? When you do that, you will see a change in your business. Go down below, tag, like, share if you end up doing it 3 months for free and getting a sub account from me. Here's the thing. I'm also going to be weekly training. I do weekly trainings for people on the software so they can see and ask actual open questions, and I can actually help you work with things through the process so you can get to the next level. so you don't get caught on this YouTube journey of always trying to learn everything from YouTube and not being able to actually implement it in your business by not having someone to talk to. So yeah, blessings on blessings. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Let's go.